Hi, it's Ryan. I'm the Tails End on YouTube. I'm also the Political Beast. I have not posted on this channel for over 2 years, and I wanted to put it on here because I probably need a separate channel for my political leanings and things like that, because I don't want to necessarily scare away the people who don't want to hear my politics, but I want people to understand that I am greatly in tune with politics. I was the county and regional coordinators for two presidential campaigns, one being in 2004 for the Wesley Clark for President campaign. I was tend to not pick the winners, but that's all right. And then the second campaign that I went to was the Richardson for president, and then eventually Obama for president, and working under the auspices of the Democratic Party. That being said, there are a lot of things that I would like to talk about here that I don't necessarily want to talk about because I don't want partisan chattering and things in my other channel. So I'm gonna start posting here again, if not regularly, semi-regularly, once a month, maybe, hopefully. Things always pop up. Today is the nomination of Elaine Kagan for the Supreme Court, and might I say, she is probably one of the most ugly Supreme Court justice picks that we've had in a long time. Regardless of that, I'm sorry for that. I have to say, my condolences go out to the family of Senator Byrd from West Virginia, the longest serving congressman in Congress ever, dying at the age of 92. And also for the husband of Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who died of cancer. So, with that, I want to talk about the Arizona law. Now, I just read a news update from the Arizona Republic, which is a newspaper in Arizona, widely circulated. Is just like the New York Times or the LA Times thing. This is a major newspaper in a major metropolitan area, who said that because of the boycotts from California and other places, that their company is going to have to lay off some of their workers because they said they're losing 5% of the business. Well, from what I have to say with that is that there are necessarily evils in the world. These necessary evils happened because of government action or inaction on a certain particular thing. In this case, there's a lot of people who don't believe in government, who don't embrace government in the way that it works, but things like this, things like boycotts, things like this have happened in American history with great gusto, and are celebrated now. The bus boycott of Montgomery, and the sit-ins in the diners that would not serve African Americans. These things, it may be civil disobedience, but in America we really, really do vote with our wallets, and in this case, this is a necessary evil. If you don't want us in California to boycott your chicken or your whatever that you're trying to send to California, then don't make laws that resemble the Holocaust or any other racist regime. May it be apartheid, may it be the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, may it be anything where laws preclude people of a certain whatever it may be, gender, sexual preference, color of your skin, nationality, whatever. These laws always end up wrong. History has always said that these were wrong. South Africa is probably the biggest and most modern one of that. And I'm not saying that you should completely change your system like South Africa did because they had to. But this is emblematic of people who are scared, and this tends to happen in times of economic problems. But you can really, really, really compare that to laws of Nazi Germany. You can compare it to laws in apartheid South Africa. And it's something that's not been right. And if it were to go through constitutional muster, it would probably be illegal, because it does not preclude someone just because they may look like me or maybe look like an illegal immigrant that they can be pulled over for no reason, not because they had a traffic violation or anything like that. If you break the law and the cops pull you over, they have a right to, if they want, enforce other laws. That being said, if you're just driving down the street legally with your legal car and your everything, and in a lot of states, illegal immigrants can actually get licenses. Arizona is one of them. And you didn't do anything wrong. It's just wrong for someone to be able to stop you just because of the color of your skin. Again, tones of racism and tones of xenophobia that tend to come up in times of economic despair. So that's what I think. We shouldn't do it. And if people lose their jobs, they should complain to the legislature. Change the law back. Okay, that's it. Ryan the Tail's End / the Political Beast. That's how you know. Long vlog, but there you go. Bye-bye.